Hi everyone, this is Felisa here with Homebody. What I'm doing in this video is showing you an early spring tour of my living room. Of course, you know it's going to change before spring ends. If you're interested in seeing what I came up with, just keep on watching. Okay, love, so I'm gonna go ahead and break down everything that I have in my living room just in case I have some new followers or just in case my faithful followers want to know where some items came from that I have in my living room. I'm gonna start on this side with the drapes. So my drapes actually came from Home Goods, and if you notice, I have some totally dazzled brooches on top of the drapes. And then the wall art that's in the middle of the drapes actually came from Pier 1 a few years ago. These florals here came from Z Gallery. The vase came from Z Gallery. I have a curtain tie back on the vase. And just in case someone's interested in knowing where the tie back came from, it came from Amazon. I'll leave the link below to that. The accent chair came from Pier 1. The pillow came from Home Goods. The picture frame that I have my dearest mother in came from Z Gallery. The accent side table came from Z Gallery. My coffee and end table set came from Rooms to Go. Another picture frame here. These coasters here came from Valerie's Glamorous Castle. I'll leave the link below to her channel. The rabbits and the lily candle holder came from Home Goods. The candle holder here and the lamp actually came from Z Gallery. Moving on to this wall, those wall sconces came from Z Gallery. I only paid like 24 bucks for those wall sconces. If you catch Z Gallery with a good sale, you can get some good deals. The wall art that you see here came from Ross actually, and I love this wall art. It is super cute. And moving down to the couch, my couch came from Rooms to Go. Again, this glam pillow here from Home Goods. The gray pillow here from Z Gallery. This throw, I love it. I was able to get it for like 75% off. I paid like 50 bucks for this throw from Z Gallery, and the regular price for it was like $149. There's no way in the world I would have paid $149 for this throw. I love it because it's ombre. It starts off as aqua, then it gets to be a little mint green or so, then it ends up being like this off-white cream looking color, but I still love it. I do have some pillows this color, but I like this. I like the throw because it's ombre. So over on that side table is the exact same thing that I had on my other side table, as you can see there. And I failed to mention the little doggy back there. That's Jerry. He came from Z Gallery. I paid 20 bucks for him. And then Tom is over here. I went ahead and picked up 2 of those. I think they were so cute to be sitting underneath the end tables. Okay, just stepping back here. So my mirror that you see over there is called a Starburst Mirror that's on the wall. Came from Z Gallery. My ginger jar came from Home Goods. The little stand that I have my ginger jar sitting on came from Home Goods as well. Now let me tell y'all what I did with the rugs here. So I've been looking for a big rug this color, but I haven't been able to find one. So this looks like a pretty long runner, right? But it's actually not a runner. It's just like, I think it's a 3 by 2 or 5 by 3. It's 2 here. I'm gonna pick that up. See, you can see that I just took 2 of these rugs and put them together and made me a long runner, as you can see there. Moving on to the coffee table. So my coffee table and incense again came from Rooms to Go. The Ming box that you see here came from Z Gallery. My candle holders here, I love these. They came from Bath and Body Works. The candles here came from eFavormart. I'll leave the link below to eFavormart. And what I did down here is I put a tray underneath here, and I have my coffee table books that came from Etsy, and a decorative object, and the little elephant. That tray came from Home Goods. Elephant from Home Goods. This thing right here came from Z Gallery. Okay, I was sitting down. Let me get up. So let's move to this side of the room over here. So as you can see, I don't have an entryway. Like, I don't have a door or wall dividing up my living room here. So I made my own entryway. I put me a runner here, and it serves as an entryway for me. So I have my entryway table. So over on this side, I have another wall art from Ross, and I have some wall sconces that came from Z Gallery again. I paid like 24 or 27 bucks for those. Some more candles from eFavormart. Some more florals over here from Z Gallery. More eFavormart candles. These candle holders here actually came from, okay, this candle holder right here, the mirror ones, came from Home Goods. These 2 here came from Z Gallery, and these candles actually came from Home Goods. Now, when I did my last video of the entryway, I did have 2 of these bunnies, but I broke one, so now I only have 1. I'm going to be on the hunt for another because I've had that bunnies for a couple of years. Butterfly from Home Goods. This beauty right here came from Bath and Body Works. They have the best candle holders, but you have to find them early in the season because they run out pretty quickly. But I love that candle holder. Of course, somebody can DIY this, but I don't have time to be doing DIYs lately. But the candle also came from Bath and Body Works. Okay, so my entryway table itself came from Rooms to Go, but you can get this from Wayfair. I'll leave the link below. My lanterns that you see, all those lanterns came from Z Gallery. I got them anywhere from between 19, the smaller one was like 19 bucks. The big one I think was like 24. It may have been 19 bucks too. The eggs that you see inside of the lantern actually came from Home Goods. I have some bathroom decorative boxes in there. Those bling boxes came from Home Goods from the bathroom section. The florals in there came from Z Gallery. I'll leave the, not Z Gallery, I'm sorry. They came from Amazon. I'll leave the link below to those. And the bunnies came from Home Goods. So, moving over here to the corner. These little florals here came from Z Gallery. They were like 10 bucks. I have 2 of them in there. I love silver. And the vases themselves came from Z Gallery as well. And there's 3 of those. Then I have another vase that I just have sitting in the middle here. So besides from that bigger rug that's on my floor, the bigger rug actually came from Ross. I'm pretty much ready to change that out, but for now I'm gonna leave it in there. And actually that runner came from Wayfair. I actually have that same rug in a rug that's under my dining room table. Probably already seen my table because I wanted to share that table earlier before I showed the living room. But yeah, so here's the rug down here. That rug came from Wayfair as well. Just in case someone haven't seen my table setting, I love this table setting. So this is my spring tablescape, you guys. I love, 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 love it. Last thing that I didn't mention is my chandelier. My chandelier also came from Z Gallery. It was a splurge for me. You can see it better with the lights off. So let me turn the lights off. And I think I need to change out the bulbs because I have like those frosted bulbs in there. I think I would like it better with the clear bulbs. But the reason why I have those frosted bulbs in there is because it gives out a lot of more light than the regular light bulbs. So yeah, you can see those frosted bulbs. Now if I put the regular bulbs in there, it gives out a yellow light and it makes my videos and everything look yellow in here. So that's why I have those, it's called daylight light bulbs. That's why I have those in there. But as you can see this chandelier is super, super cute and I'm loving it. So that's the end of this video. I hope that someone was inspired on how to decorate their living room space for the spring. Now this is an early spring tour. I may do a revamp by the end of spring because this is really early. I just wanted to get this video in. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.